Hello everyone, myself Deepak Dubey, Assistant Professor in SST College of Arts and Commerce. Today we will discuss about digital electronics. Our first topic is a number system. Okay, so in a number system, our main concept is a signal. When we start digital electronic, always we will start with a signal. So what is signal? The definition of signal, signal is defined as a physical quantity which contains some information and which is function of one or more independent variables. So there are two types of signals. First one is an analog signal and second one is a digital signal. Previously we will use analog signal, nowadays we will use digital signal. So first we will discuss about analog signal. The analog signal uses continuous signal which is varying magnitude. It means analog signal is a continuous signal. There are some examples of analog signals are temperature measurement, pressure, distance, sound, current, voltage, analog watches, etc. Also, analog signal is a continuous signal which present in sine waveforms. It means that the analog signal is always present in sine waveforms. These are the pics of these are the image of sine wave. Next, इधर देखो ना. Next one is a digital signal. Digital system defined. Digital system, sorry. Next one is a digital signal. Digital system uses a discrete signal as on and off representing binary format, that is 0 and 1. 0 means off, 1 means on. Example of digital signal are today we are using in many systems. Today we are using digital signals everywhere, like our communication system, business transactions, traffic control, digital telephones, industrial applications, digital computers. These are the waveform of digital signal. मैडम थोड़ा आगे आओ ना, दिख नहीं रहा. और आगे आ जाओ. नहीं अब नहीं, पीछे जाओ. हाँ, बैक करो. There are some characteristics of digital signal. The first characteristics of digital signal is digital signals are discrete signals, while analog signal is a continuous signal. This type of electronic signals can be processed and transmitted better compared to analog signal. And digital signals are versatile, so it is widely used. And the main characteristics of digital signal is the accuracy. The accuracy of digital signal is better than that of the analog signal. Next, इधर देखो ना आप, थोड़ा 2 मिनट रुको ना, मोबाइल रखो ना, क्या हाथ का इशारा किया ना, करो, बैक करके वापस करो. Next is what are the advantages of digital signal? The frequency of carrier wave is usually higher. The combined wave is transmitted and they carry more information per second than the analog signal. Maintain quality over a long distance and they are automatic. Okay, and main thing is and main advantages of digital signal is easier to remove the noise compared to analog signal. The noise, main advantages of digital signal is easier to remove the noise. Next one is a number system. Always digital electronic depends upon number system, or any digital signal is depends upon number system. Number systems are the technique. Number systems are the technique to represent numbers in the computer system architecture. Every value that you are saving or getting into from computer memory has defined number system. It means that number system always in digital electronic or a digital system or digital signal, we always represent every data in number system, or we can say that we are presenting in machine language. That machine language is nothing but a number system. Main thing of number system is radix or base. Base is also called as radix. It means that base or radix of number system is the total number of digital used in number system. Suppose the number system representing the number from 0 to 9, then the base of system is 10. There are four types of number system. First one is a binary number system, second one is a octal number system, third one is a decimal number system, fourth one is a hexadecimal number system. Now we will discuss about all four number system in brief. Binary number system. In a modern computer, binary number system which is used only 2 digit. It means that binary number system has used only 2 digit, that is 0 and 1. 0 means off, 1 means on. The base of binary system is 2 because it accepts only 2 number, that is 0 and 1. The digital electronic equipments are work on binary number system, and hence the decimal number system is converted into the binary system. Example, 1, if 1 is converted into binary number system, that is 0001. 2 is converted into binary number system 0010. Same 6 is converted into binary number system 0110. The conversion from binary to decimal or decimal to binary we will see in next lecture. Next one, second one is a octal number system. The number system whose base is 8, that is called as a octal number system. In octal number system, there are 8 numbers from 0 to 7, and the octal numerals can made from binary numerals by grouping consecutive binary digit into group of 3 starting from right to left. Means right side से क्या करना है आपको, only 3 values accept करना है, and grouping of 3 digits of binary number, and it makes a octal numbers. For example, the binary representation for decimal number 74. Okay, for example, the octal representation of decimal is 7. एक मिनट मैडम और wrong है. The octal representation for 74 is 4 is converted into binary, 3 digit binary, that is 100. 7 is converted into 3 digit of binary, that is 111. It means the octal number system is 111100 for decimal number 74. Next one is a decimal number system. You all know that decimal number system. We all are familiar with decimal number system. Today's life we all are using decimal number system. Decimal number system has 10 values, that is 0 to 9, hence its base or radix is a 10. Okay, next one is this number system is widely used in the computer applications for daily use or for our understanding purpose. Some examples of digital numbers are 12 base 10, 345 base 10, 119 base 10, 313.9 base 10. Next and the last one is the hexadecimal number system. The hexadecimal number system, often shortened to hex, is a numeral system made up of 16 symbols, hence its base is 16 because it contains 16 symbols or 16 digits. It is the most widely used number system in computer system. It is also called as a base 16. It is also called as base 16 number system, which consists of 16 digit, that is 0 to 9 and A to F. These are the example how we can convert binary to hex numbers. These are the binary number system. We can group of 4 bits and 4 bit is converted into decimal number system, that is called as example 0110 and 0001. नहीं क्या example दिखिए नहीं रहेगा. Okay, these are the few examples of how we can convert a binary into hex. We can grouping of 4 bits of binary number system from right to left and convert it into its equivalent hexadecimal number systems. Thank you.